Hello everybody, welcome back. Well, I have got something so pretty to share with you today. I just uploaded this to my Etsy shop and I just want to share it with you because it turned out so well. I'm very happy with it. This is a wooden cigar box, just a plain old wooden cigar box that I have decorated. And I created this flower. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try to do some tutorials on these fabric flowers too, because they are so much fun to make. And I can even do a tutorial on the centers, how to make your own centers, because things like this are so expensive if you have to buy them. So anyway, I just decorated it with some lace here and there. I left a lot of the box natural, and I put a little pull tab right here just to make it open easier. And look what is inside. These are some fabric flowers that I created using taffetas and satins, different types of taffeta and satin. I hope you can see that. And I just put a little felt backing on them. This one has a beautiful crystal inside. This one has a crystal inside. Now you can attach these to a junk journal cover. It would be fabulous. Or just attach them to the front of a decorative box like I've done here. And then, let's see, that one had 2 buds with it. And then this one, I tried to make them not all the same. A little, I wanted them to be a little different. And then these 2 are kind of the same, just a little bit different in size. And they all have that little felt backing. And that is really all there is to that. If you're interested in learning to make these, I do have a video on my channel. I'll try to link it below to show you how to do the singed flower. Now, that one's not singed. That one's a different method, but these are singed. So you can find all these in my Etsy shop. The link is below. And I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think about my box. Do I need to do some more? Because that was so much fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.